Assalamu alaikum scholars, you are listening to Ziaur Rahman. Scholar, today we have a lecture about how to use PLS software for mediation analysis. The previous lecture was about path analysis in PLS software, where we deliver our knowledge about direct, indirect and total effect while hypothesis testing. Scholars, if you have not subscribed to our channel, it is requested to please subscribe it. In research, a mediation model is actually used to identify and explain the mechanism or processes that underlies an observed relationship between an independent variable and a dependent variable via the inclusion of a third hypothetical variable known as mediator variable. It means that there must be three variables, one is independent and other is dependent, and the third variable which used as a mechanism or a process, its name is mediator variable. In mediation analysis, the mediation analysis is actually an indirect effect between the relationship of direct and indirect independent and dependent variables. Mediation is a hypothesized causal chain in which one variable affects the second variable that in turn affects the third variable. How? We have a case study for you today. This is a very simple model where leadership is having a direct impact on the firm performance, and then on employee behavior, and then employee behavior have a direct impact on the firm performance, and then employee behavior is used as a significant mediator between the relationship of leadership and firm performance. The hypothesis 4 is about the mediation. Employee behavior positively mediate the relationship between leadership and firm performance. So how you can show the results? This is the table to show the results of PLS software. Results of structural model to test the hypothesis, table 5. So this is about the how to show the mediation results. This is model fitness in PLS, and these are the results for the hypothesis testing. Hypothesis number 4 was about the mediation analysis. See it in the PLS software. This is a very simple model. You can see it view path coefficients. This is hypothesis 1, direct relationship. This is direct relationship. This is direct relationship, and this is the moderated relationship, where the three hypotheses are significant at 100% confidence interval, and the one moderated variable relationship or hypothesis is significant at 95% confidence interval. You can see the mediation analysis by click on view and then click on view indirect and total effect, and then click direct, view indirect and total effect, table view. This is the mediation analysis. This is the beta value, indirect effect. See it here, indirect effect for paths with two segments, leadership and its impact on mediation impact on firm performance through the mediating role of employee behavior. This is the beta value, and this is the p value. So see it here, this is the beta value and this is the p value. It means that double steric means that p value is significant at 95% confidence interval. You can also show your results in figure form, where you can put your beta value, hypothesis number, beta value, and then p value. This is the hypothesis. H4 is about the mediation analysis. You can describe it in a paragraph form. For mediation analysis, hypothesis 4 was proposed, stating that employees' behavior mediates the relationship between leadership and firm performance. This is the beta value and this is the p value. Hence, the beta values and p values depicts full mediation, resulting in approving the hypothesis 4. So our hypothesis number 4 is accepted here, and then in the end you may also show it when you are showing your summary of hypothesis. You can also show it in table form. So this is the hypothesis number 4. Employee behavior positively mediate the relationship between leadership and firm performance, and its p-value is significant and 95% confidence interval, and beta value is given here, and the hypothesis is approved. This is all about today's lecture. Scholars, if you have not subscribed to our channel, it is requested to please subscribe it. The next lecture will be about how to use the PLS software for moderated analysis. So you may also see our next lecture for moderated analysis. Allah Hafiz, Shukriya.